Jason lives in England. He does some research on the internet and sees the same type of laptop on sale in Germany and America. In Germany, the laptop costs €436. In America, the laptop costs $468.60. The current exchange rates are that €1 is worth 0.84 and £1 is equal to $1.32. How much more expensive is the laptop in Germany? Give your answer in pounds. So what we have to do is convert both these numbers into pounds. So for Germany, each euro is going to be worth 0.84 of a pound. So we need to do 436 times 0.84, which gives me £366.24. In America, it's worth $468.60. So we need to see how many times does 1.32 go into that. So we need to divide it by 1.32. Just do it on your calculator using the fraction button, and that gives you 355. So therefore it's more expensive in Germany. So the difference will be £366.24 minus 355, which gives me 11.24. So it is £11.24 more expensive to buy in Germany. So it's been a video to show you how to use exchange rates to work out the difference of prices. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.